here. To make it better, 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 better. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Actually, I probably shouldn't have done that. Whatever, I'll castle. Na 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 na. If c4, I just take, of course. I guess I'll retreat the bishop and reroute the knight, maybe somehow. Judah, 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 Judah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na 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 na. Okay, so he's trying to do something on the king side, I guess. So I'll go here to pressure the pawn. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey Jude. Na na na. I don't know why I'm singing this, by the way. Sorry, guys. I'm sure you're here to listen to like commentary on chess, and then you hear na 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 over and over. Like, I'm sorry, I apologize. Okay, you're probably like, what is he smoking? Let's go G3. You're like, you're here to listen to some like high-end chess commentary, and then you just hear someone saying na 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 na. Hey Jude. Okay, I guess I will go bishop back and maybe knight f3 somewhere in here. There's also knight f4, I guess. Could have played rook c1 too. There's f5 logical. I think I'll play rook c1 now. Okay, now I think I should probably take and go c4. Or knight f4, maybe. Gonna get very murky. D4 I take. Yeah, it's gonna start to get very, very strange. So I'll pre-move this in case he pushes. I could also pre-move HG. I guess this is a safer pre-move. It's okay, we're hearing the words from you, exactly. Okay, so he wants to go queen h7. I mean, takes is definitely playable. It's a little bit dangerous. Well, actually, is it dangerous? I can play... Actually, is it dangerous? I don't think it is, actually. No, I looked at the position. So I can just go rook e1 and king f1. And I also have knight f3 to hit the queen, too. Like, knight d5, queen f3, and knight c4. Like, I'm probably a little bit worse here, but I don't know if I'm actually losing or not. And he's very low on time, which helps. Of course I take. I go queen f3, obviously. Like, either he has something very good here, or he's got absolutely nothing. This is a typical show me the money moment. Oh my god, does he have knight e4? No, I've got king f1. Wow. For a second, I thought I had made a huge blunder. Wow. I think knight e4 almost worked. It didn't work, but it almost worked. Whoa, what? Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Okay. So wait, let's think about it. So if I play queen d5, what's his idea? Rook d8, I guess. Okay. If I go king f1, what's this move? I don't know. I'm going to do it. It's going to start moving quicker. Because now FG is a big threat. Wait. Misplayed this too, of course. Of course, I had to mess this up. Oh, wait, blunders rook d7. Hmm. No, I just went 95. Could also just go king d3, I guess. Oh, why did I do... Wait, what the heck? There we go. I get the win.